nut. Like a nut and bolt kind of thing. Or is this a bolt? No, this is... Just forget I said anything. Future Alexa, take that out. Keep it in. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lexa, for those of you who do not know me. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, be sure to check them out right after this one. And if you're here from last week's video hoping for that part 2, I promise that is coming up. That is not this video, as you can see from the title. But I promise that is coming. I really just wanted to do something creative today because I am in grad school and I am coming up to finals week and I'm just very stressed, to say the least. I just needed a different headspace to get out of there. So why not do a TikTok trend, right? In today's video, I'm going to be making clay rings. And to be honest, I haven't seen them on my TikTok page, but I've been seeing, you know, people making videos of how they're on their page and like other YouTube videos. And it works out well because I already have all the supplies because I do use clay for my business. I actually made these, so this should be fun. I haven't made rings, so let's see what that hype's all about. Let's get into the video. So I just get my clay from Michael's or Joann's, any kind of craft store. And then I picked up some rhinestones as well. I have some cutters laying around, my roller, any kind of sharp blade or knife. So I'm just warming up the clay to get it moving and easy to use. And then that green cutter is the size of my fingers. And be really careful when you just try to take the clay off of it. And so I just wrap it around and try and blend in the edges as much as possible. Here I'm making a marbling effect. So I take the blue clay and the white clay and I twist them together and I just keep twisting until I get the desired pattern. And then I'm using this tool to make smooth lines. It kind of looked like a crinkled chip or something. And I'm doing all of this on a ceramic tile because that way it can just be put into the oven and it makes everything bake better, if that makes sense. Just make sure whatever you're baking your clay with is that it's completely flat. And these are all the rings ready to go into the oven. I just follow directions of the clay packaging. Okay, I am actually loving how a lot of these turned out. It seems that when the little circle cutter that I was using, it like fit over my finger really well. So most of these are a little big. And by a little, I mean a lot. For instance, first of all, this one, that pink one, love. But the shape, whose finger is that fitting? And I have pretty beefy fingers, like I do. But look, it's not doing anything. But I really love it. So I'll probably try and make a new one out of this. But I love the idea of it. But otherwise, 10 out of 10. Beautiful. Another one. I mean, what? Can you, I mean, is it focusing? Booty guru. I mean, it's not bad. The fit, it's still a little loose. I would like it tighter. On the thumb, it's pretty perfect. And what's great about the ones that aren't closed off like, you know, this one is that this clay is slightly flexible. I'm not saying you can go all over with it, but like, look, slightly. So if I were to go back and do this, I would definitely make it a bit smaller so that when it goes on my finger, it's able to stretch it, able to hug the finger. So that's good to know. But I mean, again, 10 out of 10. Another 10 out of 10. Green ones with the pattern. I mean, what? The blue ones. The blue ones where I used the I don't know, the lever thing. Let's just take a moment. Again, too big. Ugh, I'm so mad about that. But again, 10 out of 10. And this one, it has a I don't know if you can see that. Booty boo. It's like sharp at the top. Not sharp. I used a triangle cutter for that one. And then I did another one, kind of like the green one with the white and blue. Pretty. And then I saw this like napkin thing. That one fits pretty nicely. The ones with the jewels. I was kind of worried about putting the jewels in the oven, but they were fine. Like, I didn't know if that was going to do anything, but they're fine. They did get kind of matte looking, so they're not as shiny, but still cute. I mean, this purple one of the first ones I made, a disaster. I tried to sand it a bit so it doesn't look as bad. I mean, it's definitely the worst of the group. But again, the concept, like, if that were to fit, it'd be cute, right? And then these two, I made the green one, and then I made the pink one, the magenta-ish color with the green one. Those are cute. I like how dainty this one is. I give those 8 out of 10. Again, a simple band, too big. They're all too big. They really are. These two simple bands, but cute together. They would be really cute together. This was another pretty perfect one. It's just blue, again, too big, but no sanding needed. Most of these didn't need any sanding, which I was really surprised about. Obviously, some of them did. Like, you can see I sanded a little bit in there just so it could lay better. But this one, I really like the shape of it. Was that hexagon? 6? Hexagon? Cute. Like it. And then kind of similar, but we got like a little, again, huge. I'm loving these colors. So, I mean, the patterns are great. Another dainty one. Cute. Another one of these, I made it a little more dainty. Like, here's the green one. Cute. Do they go together? Stackable rings. And then the two purples. I have to say the purple were kind of my least favorite, but they're also the first ones that I made, so I get it. You grow as you go. So this one is huge, but I kind of like it. What is this? It's, I mean, cute. And then this one. I kind of like this one too. Cute. So there you have it. Those were all of the rings that I made. I really loved how a lot of them turn out. Of course, there are times where it could be better, but I'm really happy with them. It was really fun to do. It was definitely a nice de-stressor. Who knows, maybe I'll be making rings for my business. And again, I promise that part 2 is coming out to my last video. I'll definitely make that after my finals are over. So this is nice, and I hope you like it too, because I definitely had fun doing it. So if you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up down below. Comment what else you would like to see, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Last time I checked, we're at 30 subscribers, which I'm really happy about. It means 30 people care, so thank you. I really do appreciate it. But until next time, bye!